Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is the SST Edupedia. I am Akash Javrani. Today I am going to teach you subject that is called Innovative Financial Services. This subject is in the third year BMS. This subject is a specialization finance subject. Semester 6. This subject comes under the semester 6 BMS for BMS. Module 3 I am going to cover. The topic that I am going to cover today, it is the hire purchase system. So what is the meaning of hire purchase system? The hire purchase system means when a buyer sell the goods to when a seller sell the goods to a buyer on a credit, it is known as a hire purchase system. In hire purchase system, seller sold the goods to a buyer on credit and buyer has agreed to do the payment of the goods in equated monthly installments, and along with he will also agree to pay the interest. Okay, so this is known as the hire purchase system. I am reading the content, what it is written in the introduction of this. Hire purchase is an important source of finance in recent times. It is an important source of finance in recent times. Many people purchases assets like washing machine, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, purchase it on a hire purchase system. Again, I am repeating the meaning of hire purchase system. The meaning of hire purchase system is when a seller sold the goods or any property to a buyer on a credit basis. It is known as the hire purchase system. In this system, the buyer pays the down payment. For example, I am taking about when individual purchased a washing machine of rupees 50,000, he will have to pay down payment. For example, 10,000, he will pay the down payment of rupees 10,000, and remaining 40,000 he will pay in 4 monthly installments. Along with 4 monthly installments, he will also have to pay the interest along with. In this method is known as hire purchase system. But in this method, the ownership of the good lies with the seller only. After payment of all installments, the ownership will be transferred to the buyer after completing all the installments along with the interest. So I hope you understand what is the hire purchase system. Now moving with the content, it is written in the slide that it is the hire purchase is an important source of finance in recent time. Hire purchase is a method of financing of the fixed assets to be purchased on a future date. Means we are purchasing the fixed asset now and we will do the payment on a future. Under this method of financing, the purchase price is paid in installments. Ownership of the asset is transferred after the payment of the last installment. I have already told that the ownership of the asset will lie in the hands of the owner only, means on the seller only. After clearing all the installments, the ownership will transfer to the buyer. Means buyer can use the goods. If I have purchased a washing machine for my home, I can take the washing machine from the shop and can use the washing machine at home, but the papers are with the papers of the washing machine are with for example, are with the seller only. They will give me ownership after I will completed my all the installments. If by default I will not pay any installments, if by default if I have forgot to pay installments, and if I will not pay installments timely, okay, so the washing machine, the shop owner, that is a seller, will take the washing machine from my home and keep it in the shop again. So this is a case if we will not pay the installments. Example of hire purchase system, I have given the example of washing machine. So see, we have different example of hire purchase system. For example, Mr. Verma wants to purchase new machinery for his factory. Okay, the cost of machinery is rupees 75,000. He have to purchase a new machinery. The cost of the machinery is 75,000. Mr. Verma doesn't have rupees 75,000 in his hand. He doesn't have rupees 75,000 in his hand, but he wants machine in the factory. That is important. For the production, machine is very important. Therefore, he entered into an agreement with the vendor, means the seller, that initially that he will pay rupees 15,000 out of rupees 70,000. He agreed. The buyer will say that Mr. Verma is saying that he will pay rupees 15,000 from 75,000, and the balance of rupees 60,000 will be paid by him in 5 monthly equal installment of rupees 12,000 along with the interest at the rate 10% per annum that will be charged monthly on the outstanding balance. Okay, so here it is the case in which the Mr. Verma is paying down payment of rupees 15,000 against the machinery, and remaining 60,000 he will pay in 5 monthly installments along with the interest that will be charged monthly on the outstanding balance. The terms and conditions also include that the ownership of the asset will be transferred only after the payment of the last installment. The ownership will transfer only after the payment of last installment, and in the case of failure of the payment of installment by Mr. Verma, the machinery will be taken by the vendor. That is, the seller will take the machine if the Mr. Verma is forgot, if he will not pay the timely payment to the timely installment to the seller. Okay, this is the example of hire purchase system. Now what is the features of hire purchase system? The first feature is the buyer can get the goods immediately after making the initial down payment. The payment that we are going to, firstly the payment that we are going to do to the seller, it is known as the down payment. Second, if in case of non-payment of any installment, the seller has the right to repurchase the goods. Repurchase means he will take the goods back from the buyer if the buyer will not pay the installments. The hire purchase installment amount includes the principal amount as well as the interest charged upon the balance amount. I have already told that the asset, the property asset, for the property asset, for example, if I had bought a machine of rupees 60,000, that he will the seller will also charge interest on them, because I am not going to payment at one time. I am going to do the payment in equated monthly installments. You have heard the word, I think, EMI. You have heard the word EMI. The full form of EMI is equated monthly installments. On this, every seller charges the interest on them. Interest is generally at a flat rate. Hire purchase agreements usually prove to be more expensive. It is more expensive because we are not going to do payment immediately. We are going to do payments in installments. Expensive in the long run than purchasing an item outrightly. These are the features of the hire purchase system. Let's move with the advantages of hire purchase system to the seller. What are the advantages of hire purchase system to the seller? Because seller is sell the goods on credit basis. So what are the advantages? Why is selling the goods on credit, not on cash? So higher sales. If he sell the goods on credit, then the more sales will be there of the company. Ownership of the goods. The ownership of the goods will be held to the seller only until the buyer makes the fully payment of the property or the asset he have taken from the seller. Take possession. If any default, if the customer is not paying the installment to the seller, that seller has the right to take the repossession or take the possession from the buyer. Fourth feature of installment. If the fourth feature, the meaning of fourth feature is cancellation. If the buyer cancel the installment, it means that the buyer is not paying the installment, then seller has the right to take the property from the buyer, and he does not pay the installments that the customer has paid earlier. For example, I am telling, if an individual buys a two-wheeler for 6 installments, he had agreed to pay the 6 installments, and he started using the two-wheeler driving properly, and after 6 installments he has promised, but from 6 installments he has only paid 2 installments. After 2 second installments he didn't pay the third installment, fourth installment, fifth installment. So what will the company do? The company will take the two-wheeler from the buyer, and he will not give to the any installment to the back to the customer, because he will say it will be the rent of the property he used for the 2 months. And also the company also gives the margin because it is risk for the seller that the company that the buyer might not be give the cash to the customer. Advantages of hire purchase system to the buyer. What are the advantages of buyer? If we are taking the goods on a credit and on a hire purchase system, what are the advantages to the customer, that is buyer? It is facility of buying. Anyone can buy the goods. If he doesn't have the money, he can buy the goods and pay the installments in EMI system, through EMI system, financing facility. He can do the purchase the asset and can give the finance monthly equity monthly installments. It is a boon to the small producers. The meaning of boon is advantages. It is advantage to small producers like farmers, small manufacturers can purchase the machinery on EMI or through EMI system, as the cost of the machineries are very high, so they can't do take huge investment of machines. Possession of the goods, the possession of possession of goods means customer can use the goods for after making down payment and can do the payment in through EMI. Disadvantages of the hire purchase system. What are the disadvantages of hire purchase system? Risk of bad debts. Might customer does not pay if he has paid the down payment, he can use the good, but after first installment he did not pay any installment, so it is a risk of bad debts for the company or for the seller. Larger investment. Company has to do the large investment because the company is selling the goods on the credit, so the customer will give the money to the company after few months or after few years, so therefore there will be a large investment for the company to get back the goods ready. Higher prices. When the company is selling the goods to the customer on a higher purchase system, the price of the goods will be higher as the company is charging some margin risk, and also the company is taking interest from the customer. And the last one is the ownership. The ownership of the goods will not be transferred to the customer after completing all the payments he can do. The ownership of the property will lie on the buyer. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. I hope you understand what is the hire purchase system, advantages and the disadvantages and the features. Thank you.